Hey guys, I finally set up my new mobile office. I have a new lease. All of this is all mine. I can work here. Sometimes I'll work way over there. I work sometimes down there. It's $0 free. And my new Icebox Skateboard, I've got 6,500 watts, Dual 6374, 7-inch Evolve skateboard, pneumatic tires, so I can come here. They don't allow cars in here, obviously, but having this allows me to bring all of this and put it in my Icebox. My drone, I've got a Sony a7 III, Surface Book Pro 2 Pro, blah blah blah, and I still got room for more. Oh shit, I hope my laptop didn't break. Oh god, I just broke it. No, it didn't. Oh god. Oh, how did you do that, bro? Stop showing off. It's okay, it's still working. Oh, it's a good thing it's a flip-on. Oh. Anyway, I just want to show it off. My new setup. I've got a Sony a7 III, Sony 1.4 f1.4 24mm f1.4. I've got a Rode micro. I don't really use that. I have a standalone microphone. I have a Mavic 2 Pro, so I can do my shots in the beginning. And today we're gonna do probably review of the Pixel 4a. So that's on my here today. Yeah, very good day, and I'm gonna start making a ton of videos, all the videos from here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Have a great day, guys. It's no more California fire is almost dying down, which is good. It's no more smoke. Today is gonna be a real nice day. You see the blue. It's real blue out there. That means the clouds are gonna probably move away. But have a great day. Wait for my Pixel 4a, which I'm gonna shoot, edit, upload all from here. I got Verizon Unlimited, 5G. I've got T-Mobile 5G, so I can upload videos, edit videos, everything here. And good thing my laptop didn't die. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon.